What's going on, everybody? This video is probably going to be really short. I'm not going very far. Plus, I think it's about to start raining. So, yeah. Man, look at this nice new paved road. Yes. So fresh. It really sucked when they were working on it, though, because they kept closing this road down. It made me have to take the long way home. Yeah, I know right here it doesn't look like it's gonna rain and it looks like I'm lying to you, but I promise right behind me is no joke darkness. Wow, it got really windy! Oh my god! Alright, so I just wanted to bring up the fact that my bike is Plastidip and it is incredibly loud in my helmet. I think I just shut the mouth vent, so shut my mouth vent. Anyway, my bike is Plastidip, and also I will add, not professionally. I literally did this in my garage with spray cans and some newspaper to tape off the parts I didn't want to spray. Would I recommend this? Yes and no. So, like, if you have the money to go take it to a shop and get it painted or Plastidip, that's obviously a better option. Or if you even have the money to buy the professional sprayer, like the high quality professional spray thing that like really coats it on there, that'd be a good idea. But if you're gonna do this with just the cans, keep in mind that it will cost you, like, I don't know, however much Plastidip is, $4 to $6 a can, and you can do your entire bike with like I would say 2 cans, but at least, plus I have like the red on there, which is another can. But I mean, if you're paying like $15 for this, you're gonna get a $15 paint job. Now, a lot of people give me compliments on this. Like, personally, yes, I think it looks awesome. I love it. It's matte black with like matte red on it, and there's no issues with that at all, except for the fact that, like, yes, this was done with cans, so every now and then parts of it do come up, like if I hit my bike with something. Alright, don't give me the peace sign, bro, it's whatevs. But yeah, like where my legs hit, the Plastidip does come off every now and then. If I have a rider on the back, it'll sometimes scrape the edges. It's hard to describe, I don't know what that piece is called. But it does kind of flake off every now and then. Not actually very commonly. I've only had to respray whatever my bike like 2 or 3 times, I think, and most of those weren't even noticeable. It's just I wanted to go do it. And when I say respray, I literally took a can out to my garage and sprayed that spot for about 2 to 3 seconds. Just kind of evened it up a little bit. That was it. So if you don't mind like respraying your bike every now and then, I'd say go for it. It's really cheap, it's really easy, and you can make it look however you want to. So yeah, you get points for style there, points for doing it yourself. I did think about taking my bike to get it wrapped, but just looking at how much that cost seems a little ridiculous to me. Not ridiculous, it's actually fair. It's just compared to like $15 to do it myself like this. I mean, of course this isn't professionally done by any means. There's some spots that are messed up. Like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but like there's some blue right here on the inside. Not that I couldn't just paint that, but I mean, it's not going to be perfect if you're doing it yourself. But for the money, I think it's pretty awesome if you don't mind having to touch it up every now and then, or you're not trying to have like the perfect bike or a show bike or something. Yeah, this is no show bike, although it does get a lot of attention and people do like the paint job on it. And I mean, I guess I could strip it of all the fairings and really get down and do it right. I'm not going to, I'm too lazy, but I could. I'm not going to though. But anyway guys, that's it. I'm about to head back. I don't know where that dark cloud went. Then again, this is Georgia. It might have just disappeared in 30 seconds. I don't know. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Probably a really short video, but I'll catch you next time. And remember, do stuff. ride motorcycles. Be safe. Save your money. Don't eat grapes. Grapes are nasty. Catch you next time, fam.